What's going on out there? Welcome back to the Money Cube channel. I have a little bit of a fun video for y'all today. So this here is the Robinhood platform. I use Robinhood as well as Cash App and as well as Webull to invest in the stock and crypto markets. And some people, there are now a lot more retail investors than there ever have been before because of these very easy to use platforms that we now have access to. But in saying that, there are a lot of people that don't understand where stocks came from, how they got their start, the origins of the stock market. So I'm just going to give y'all a little brief overview of how the American stock market got its start. So let's come over here to Wikipedia. All right, so this will be the New York Stock Exchange, the beginning. All right, so and bear with me, I'll get through this fairly quick. I promise it will not be a long video. The New York Stock Exchange, nicknamed the Big Board, is an American stock exchange in the financial district of Lower Manhattan in New York City. It is by far the world's largest stock exchange by market capitalization of its listed companies at 30 trillion. $30.1 trillion as of February 2018. The average daily trading value was approximately $169 billion in 2013. The New York Stock Exchange trading floor is at the New York Stock Exchange building on 11 Wall Street and 18 Broad Street, and is a national historic landmark. In addition, an additional trading room at 30 Broad Street was closed in February of 2007. And then we'll come down a little farther here. The New York Stock Exchange is owned by Intercontinental Exchange, an American holding company that it also lists. Previously, it was part of the New York Stock Exchange's Euronext, which was formed by the New York Stock Exchange's 2007 merger with Euronext. So there you go. Not a great deal of information, but that kind of gives you an idea of how long the stock market, the American New York Stock Exchange, has been around, and where it's located. The New York Stock Exchange is the epicenter of the stock trading world throughout the entire world. So everything that goes on in all countries around the world kind of, how can I say this? Everything flows through New York. Like I said, it's the core and epicenter of the stock world. So there you go. What do y'all think about the history of the stock exchange? Do y'all know, any other facts that, you may want to share with this community in the comment section? Go ahead and have at it. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have about my journey, or about your journey if you're starting out as a new trader or investor. Let me know, if you have anything on that. And here's the thing, like I always say, always do your homework, do your research before getting started. Take your time. And I would also recommend using a platform that allows paper trading, meaning you don't use any of your own real cash or real money. And there's an option to that. If you own a platform that does not offer paper trading, you can trade like on Cash App and Webull and Robinhood. You can invest as little as $1 in a stock, or maybe $5, maybe a minimum on one of them. But I know on Cash App, you can invest as little as $1, and that's not going to hurt most people. You can start out kind of testing the waters and honing your skills, so to speak, trading with just $1, just to see, okay, I put in $1 today, and if my research was correct. This stock may go up. It should go up. And if it does, I'll make my little 5-cent profit. Or if it goes down, a few percent, I can, buy the dip and dollar cost average by putting in another dollar. And so that is a very good, I may do a whole video on that. That is an excellent way to, take as long as you want to, like I said, hone your skills and work on your skill set, because trading is a skill set. You have to develop your own strategy, and over time you will get better. Nobody is perfect. Not even Warren Buffett himself is a perfect trader. So but you have to kind of get in where you fit in at. And I think that's a great way to get started. If you don't want to start out with a lot of capital, and I would suggest not starting off with a whole lot of capital if you are brand new. All right. So I greatly enjoy the comments y'all put down there. Keep doing that and subscribe.